So, done with your application form? Oh, did you make any mistake in the form? Don't worry out, guys. NDA will open JEE Main 2019 application form correction window. Hello people, welcome back to another video of Aglasem. So as you all know that JEE application form correction window will open soon. A good news for the candidates who want some correction in their form. The application form correction window will remain open for 6 days starting from October 8 to October 14, 2018. And the best part is you can fill the correction form online. No need to be in a queue or standing in a harsh weather. And all you have to do is just log in using your application ID and password to access the window. And guys, make sure you are entering the correct information, because if they find any mistake or false information in your application form, then the application form will be cancelled. And you will be needing some of your documentation for the proof, which will be your 10th class and 12th class certificate, any government ID proof, and JEE Main 2019 information brochure for scanned copies of documentations that need to be uploaded. And yeah guys, one more thing. Unfortunately, you won't be able to make any correction on your photographs and signature. For making your correction, you have to click on the link in the description box. Now, clicking on the link, you'll be redirected to the JEE Main 2019 login page. There, you have to enter your application form number and password. In doing so, the application form correction facility will appear on the screen. Then, you have to select the details that you wish to rectify or change. Make the correction and pay the requisite amount if it is available. Finally, you can submit the changes. So, this is how you can make the changes in the form. I hope I have provided all the details you needed. If still there is any doubt, you can comment down in the comment section. So guys, winding up now. We'll see you soon in the next video. Till then, bye.